Hey guys, thanks for joining in. Going over the Bronco Sport. Got three different models: the Big Bend, the Outer Banks, and the Badlands. I actually took the Badlands for a test drive, but I just thought I'd go over a little bit before we get into that. So the Big Bend is kind of the entry level of the, I'd say, upper grade packages. Like the Bronco Sport is definitely not the way to go if you're looking for something a little bit beefier. It's got the 1.5 liter. It's so. Decent interior. Outer Banks, same way. I would say the interior is a little bit more upgraded from the Big Bend. And then, you got the Badlands. That's the number one. It's more of the off-road package. The bigger engine. I think it's got the 2 liter. To me, it's a little bit better. Just power-wise and whatnot. So bear with me. I'm still using the meta glasses in this. My next video should be transitioned to the Outer Banks in the white, Badlands right there, Big Bend. Don't really know the difference of these. These are all Badlands, I believe. And those down there are the Sports. Stay tuned for the end. Little surprise that I found at the end of the lot. That might be another Bend one too. Or Big Bend. That's Big Bend, that's Badlands. Okay. So Big Bend is 51, we'll say. And Badlands is 65. And that's with the leather seats, it looks like. The Badlands with everything, 64. Taller. This was, I believe, the Outer Banks. Decent sized room, good headroom, nice little back seat. It was kind of like clothy type material. It was decent. No complaints on it, really. Pretty good structure. Let's see how that does very well. Okay, you can drain right there. Interesting. It's really kind of cool. They actually do have a drain that'll drain out of the cab, so you can kind of spray it down if you wanted to. I'm assuming Jeeps do the same thing, but I'm not 100%. But cool feature. There you go. This a little bit better.
Now, if you want to move the seat, you can do it. If you want to adjust the seat, okay?
Okay, to take it.
Show yourself. So, how are you today?
Good.
Alright. Yeah, go ahead and start it. Just have the keys.
Okay. Same goat mode thing. I like that screen better.
Well, the main thing for me is how much gas we have.
Full?
Oh, cool.
Damn, I've never even seen a car that's been full tank of gas before. Does this thing ding if you have back seat not buckled?
Yes.
That's annoying. Okay.
Yeah, it's just buckled. You see that?
Yeah, but I'm saying, does it ding even if you have it not buckled?
No, it will just show it. It will.
So the different models are the Sport. Then we have Badlands, Big Bend, and Outer Banks. Badlands being the top tier. Big Bend I think is right below it, and then Outer Banks, and then Sport. I was wrong. It should be Outer Banks is number 2, and then the Big Bend is the 3rd, and then the Sport model. Big Bend. .3 EcoBoost. Different model. Cloth. The top comes off of this. I bet this thing, I wonder if this thing leaks. Okay. Dirty inside. Interesting. Oh, this thing come up. Was it just a lift? Interesting. The lid goes up. This is 49. A little bit more room. Fuel economy. Alright. Air. Okay, I like these gauges better. Alright, I'm already liking this thing better than the others, the Sport.
We're gonna do all right turns.
Yeah.
So you got those Ray-Bans? How do they work with the camera?
They're not bad. I'm looking to actually get the new ones.
Yeah, keep going to the next. Yeah, the light should make all right.
I'm looking to get the new. And it doesn't hold that big of a cup. Yeah, sunglass holder. I'm assuming they just, yep. So this was a test drive. Talking to one of the salespeople right now. He's in the back seat. Sorry for my weird hand movements, but we're talking about the Meta glasses actually, and the new Meta glasses. But just so y'all know, it's a very smooth ride. This is a great little test drive. Pretty decent power. These things are pretty light, I would say. So I definitely 100% like this a lot better than the base model Bronco Sport. power wise, comfort wise, amenity wise, it's better. The screen is better. It doesn't have the turnstile knob gear shift, which I hate. This one's got the regular handle, but all in all, pretty good. Badlands. Okay, this one's leather ish. What the difference is. Alright, that's got the auxiliary stuff. A little bit bigger. It's almost plastic though. No storage there. Nothing there. Oh shit, hammer right there.
There's no way the water's gonna go in.
Well, I'm talking about more of on the roof.
No. It's all sealed.
And they come in 3 different. You can take off this.
Those two, the front one and the
middle.
And the middle one. That's it.
You can't take this off.
No. You see, because the rear window is attached
Yeah.
to this.
I thought you'd take off the whole
No.
caboodle. What is that?
When this comes up, you can lift this up.
Oh.
If you open it.
And we have the Raptor Bronco. Holy moly. So this was a little surprise that I found at the end of the lot. The Ford Raptor Bronco. And this thing was sweet. It was pretty. It was very, very nice. But there's a caveat here. I mean, it was fully freaking loaded. But you're going to pay for it. You're going to pay for the detail. You're going to pay for the everything. But the interior was super clean, super nice. Top tier. But the payment, whew, at $90,000. Well, to sum up, call it whatever you want. The big Bronco, I just call it the Bronco Sport. They're all Bronco Sports to me, but much better than the base model Bronco Sport. Badlands was definitely a nicer interior than the other two, and you know, the Raptor, if you got the money, get it. But $90,000 is kind of high. Base model, I think it was like $40,000 for the Midlands, I believe, and then upwards to 60s for the Badlands. So it's a good little mix. Different engine sizes and stuff like that. I did say a 2.3 liter in there. So that's it. Thanks for watching.